How to recover old photos from Gmail account and Google Drive. So if you want to recover your old photos from your Gmail account and your Google Drive, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Google account. You can go with your Chrome. From here, you need to go with the upper right, which has that Google Apps. From here, you need to scroll down and then go with Google Photos. Make sure that you've logged into your Google Photos. Now, like for example, I'll delete this one. Once you've deleted, wait for a few seconds, you'll get the undo option. You can recover it from here. But if it was an old photo, then you just need to simply go with the left side of your screen and you will find an option of bin. You need to click on bin and here you will have the deleted item. So if it's been more than 60 days that you've deleted, then it will be permanently deleted from your Google Photos as well. But if it's not been 60 days, then you can click on this photo and then go with restore, which will be in the top, and that's it. The photo has been restored. That's how you can restore your photo from your Google Photos. And now if you want to go with your Google Drive, you need to go with the upper right again, which has that Google Apps. From here, you need to go with Drive. So, like for example, I'll delete this one. After deleting, you need to go with the left side option. And here, as usual, you need to go with the bin section or the recycle bin, something like that. And here, the photos or the files will be stored for 30 days. And if it's been more than 30 days, then it will be permanently deleted. So if it's not been more than 30 days, then you can go with the three dots, which is right here, and then you can go with restore. And you can restore that file, image, video, anything. So that's how you can recover. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.